neighborhood. In this moment, there is a huge snowstorm in New York City, and you already observed that each and every people actually enjoying this moment. Yes, it was a little bit tough journey that when the storm was behaving. But now the weather is almost quiet, and you already observed that snow here and there, and we recorded this video from New York City, and it's a nice view and fantastic moment. And so far I believe that the Almighty has all the power to capture the mind of our sense, our feelings. For that reason, He blesses this kind of nice weather and beautiful views. Already you observe that the snowplow truck already here for cleaning the snow from the road, and it's also a moment of Christmas. So each and everyone actually enjoying their moment with the snow. You see the snow is falling, and when I look at these views, I always remember one thing, that we are very powerless in this earth, because the Almighty has all power to run our life, to run the moment. You see, the peoples are walking in the snow, the roads already fill up with the snows, and it's almost 7 p.m. And yes, I already told you that it's a moment of Christmas time. So each and every shopping malls and roads actually decorated by the Christmas trees. And we are in Manhattan now. You already observed that snow, and with the beautiful decorated Christmas trees. Nice views, nice moment. Yes, it's true that life is hard here, but it's also true that life is also enjoyable here. Enjoying every moment with your own circle, your own power, your own circumstance. And yes, it is a moment, also a happy moment for the people that already the COVID-19 vaccine available in USA, and very soon the government of USA provided this vaccine to the general people as per their priority. So we recorded this kind of video only for you to observe the moment, to observe the views and enjoying the sceneries, because I understand that if you are not here, that's not a matter, but if you look at the sceneries and the views, that will also give you pleasure. And we want to observe this tree. Not only here, there are many trees are decorated in New York City, and all the trees actually looks marvelous and gorgeous. So you see, a tree is this wonderful sight view and wonderful scene, wonderful views that the tree in front of you with lighted, hues lighted. So it's actually a mind-blowing views. And also the snow is falling from the sky and the Christmas tree is blinking. Yes, nobody in the roads because they use snow here. And you also observe that some of the snow is actually cleaning for the place, for the walking place. And actually it's a moment to say I'm happy with the nature, with the love of this nature, with the love of the Almighty power, because still I am alive. So you see green light and red lights, all the tree actually decorated by 2 or 3 color lights. And when I recorded this video, I also remember the flag of my nation, Bangladesh flag, and the red and green লাল সবুজের সমারোহ. It gives a wonderful pleasure to me when I close my eyes and see the flag of my country. Yes, it's true that when you live far away from your country, sometimes you miss a lot of your country, but it's also true that I feel proud that I'm a person, or I'm a man, or I'm a child of Bangla Ma, or আমি বাংলা মায়ের সন্তান. Yes, you observe that cars are already parked here, and high-rise buildings with nicely decorated Christmas trees. Yes, this is the holiday moment, and all of the people actually are in a holiday mood. So we captured this video for you from the Manhattan and also the Queens. And we also proud to show you this kind of nice views from me, I say Merry Christmas to everyone, to every people in this world. Be happy, be safe, and be smiling always. Allah Hafiz.